Top of the morning, everyone. This is Patricia, and I'm traveling for history. I wanted to show you my patio garden. These, as you can see, are flavorfest strawberries. A strawberry plant, anyway. And here we have bluelagoon. I believe this is salvia. It will attract pollinators. Aren't they pretty? And then down here we have, this thing is called celosia. I just thought they were pretty. These will be serrano peppers. I thought I was buying jalapenos. Serranos are hotter than jalapenos. We'll see if my tongue can take that. This is a tomato plant. I grow cherry tomatoes each year because I like to eat them. It's fun to come home to my garden to eat the tomatoes and some strawberries, and I'm good. And here we have verbena. Pretty, huh? Look at those pretty flowers. And then more of the same, more verbena. I couldn't find zinnias this year. But all these are gardener supply. I like the fact that they are organic, and I use organic potting soil and all sorts of organic stuff. This was a gift from a friend. I love pink flamingos, and when there's wind, these wings will blow. It's really fun to watch. To get a better view of my garden, here you go. Alright, well, this is Patricia. I'm traveling for history. I hope you enjoyed my garden today, and I shall see you soon. Have a great one. Bye.